8:45 p.m.
Can I come with you guys?
I'm gonna record.
It's for us, Isaac. Because the alarm's going off.
Oh my gosh, it's... I'll finish this one and then I'll be ready. Oh. This is for Tazewell County, I can't believe it.
Yeah, it is. Hey, Dad, wait up.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Woodford County,
Right.
Peoria County, northeastern
Right.
Fulton County,
Okay.
southeastern Stark County, northwestern Tazewell County, western Marshall County until
Tazewell County, yeah.
8:15 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Brimfield to Trevoli to near Canton, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Canton, Lakin, East Peoria, Washington, Bartonville, Chillicothe, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, Henry, Elmwood, Bellevue, Princeville, Loeb, Dunlap, Ham City, and Glassford. This includes the following highways: Interstate 474
No, Washington
between
is,
mile
though.
markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 68 and 99. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. Mile marker 68 and...
Hold on. Hold on, I'm recording stuff here, but I do
Come
more.
on, Isaac, sit down with Dad.
Hold on. I'm gonna capture. Hold on, it's coming.
Oh, there might be a tornado in this storm, Isaac. Look at me, Isaac.
Alright, never mind, Isaac.
Alright.
We'll do something next time.
Okay.
If you're into that.
No, Isaac, come on, sit down with Dad. He doesn't have some time.
Alright. I'll do it once the storms pass. This is FM.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Woodford County, Peoria County, northeastern Fulton County, southeastern Stark County, northwestern Tazewell County, western Marshall County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms
Is the
were
station
located
just-
along a
oh,
line
it's just
extending
thunder,
from near
lightning.
Brimfield to Trevoli to near Canton, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Canton, Lakin, East Peoria, Washington, Bartonville, Chillicothe, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, Henry, Elmwood, Bellevue, Princeville, Loeb, Dunlap, Ham City, and Glassford. This includes the following highways: Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 68 and 99. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois.